Hey there, YouTube fam. Today we have a mind-blowing solution that will make those pesky insects run for their lives with the one and only Ortho Home Defense insect killer for indoor and perimeter. Buckle up and get ready for an epic journey into the world of bug warfare. Let's dive right in. Behold the mighty Ortho Home Defense insect killer. It's like having your very own superhero that fights insects with unrivaled strength and precision. Trust me, bugs won't know what hit them. This bad boy is specially formulated to create a force field around your home, keeping those insidious insects at bay. Whether you're dealing with ants, roaches, spiders, or even fleas, Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer is armed and ready to obliterate them all. Now, before we unleash the bug zapping mayhem, we must prioritize safety. I mean, we don't want any accidental bug killing superhero transformations, do we? So grab your gloves, because hey, you never know when Ortho Home Defense might unleash its powers in unexpected ways. And let's not forget the fashion-forward eyewear. We're talking bug busting with style, folks. I took Ortho Home Defense to the test, unleashing its power outside my home, spraying the entire perimeter, the corners, and even around my garage. I sent those bugs running for cover. I mean, they didn't stand a chance. Fast forward 2 days, and behold the glorious aftermath. Dead bugs. Roly-polies were no match for the Ortho Home Defense, and boy, did they meet their squishy fate. But fear not. I grabbed a blower and blew them away like a superhero brushing off dust from their cape. Now let's talk about why Ortho Home Defense is the superhero you need in your bug battling team. Number 1, indoor and perimeter protection. This insect killer is a true multitasker, guarding your indoor spaces and fortifying the perimeter of your home. No bug is safe. Number 2, long-lasting residual action. Once applied, Ortho Home Defense creates a bug-busting force field that lasts up to a whopping 12 months. Talk about long-term protection against those tiny intruders. Number 3, non-staining formula. Say goodbye to ugly stains and worry-free spraying. Ortho Home Defense won't leave any marks on your furniture or fabrics. It's bug battle without the mess. Odor-free application. No need to suffer through unpleasant chemical odors. Ortho Home Defense is a silent warrior, ensuring your living spaces remain fresh and comfortable. Number 5, easy application. With its convenient spray, you have full control over where you want the bug-slaying power to go. Precision is the name of the game. Witness the aftermath of bug destruction. Ortho Home Defense lives up to its name, leaving behind a battlefield of defeated insects. It's the ultimate bug massacre, keeping your home safe and pest-free. That wraps up our bug slaying extravaganza with Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer for indoor and perimeter. If you're tired of playing hide and seek with insects in your home, this game changer is a no-brainer. Now here's a sneaky tip to get your hands on this ultimate bug warrior weapon. Click on that affiliate link below. Faster than a cockroach scurrying across your kitchen floor. Let's band together in the battle against bugs and keep our channel buzzing with excitement. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the bug busting love. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next action-packed episode. Up, up.